Hi, I'm Andrew Couture, Director of Sales for Ipswitch Network Management Division.
And I'm John Ward, Account Manager, Ipswitch Network Management Division.
Well, we're really excited about this release. Actually just came live last week, and one of the things that we've really focused on in the evolution of our solutions is trying to make IT management simple, trying to provide IT executives with peace of mind because they know what's going on in their environment and what those applications and the infrastructure that's running their business. With V16, what we've done is we've actually brought together all of the technology that we have in a single pane of glass. So whether it's the monitoring, the management, whether your devices are wired or wireless, they're virtual, you're doing configuration management, log management, we bring it all together in one place so that you don't have users having to jump from here to there to figure out what's going on. And one of the things that's really kind of takes it to another level is that we have the ability to customize dashboards, and that's kind of a unique strength for us. There's a lot of companies out there that have dashboards that you can pick from, but being able to actually apply your own fingerprint to it is something that we do, and not a lot of others do.
Yeah, actually, a lot of our customers, started out using the WhatsUp Gold software for availability, pinging devices, making sure that they're up or down. And as we've progressed our functionality within the product, evolved, we find that customers many times don't look to us or to a current vendor for their solutions. They look outside. They end up with, anywhere from 2 to 10 different monitoring network management solutions, and eventually they start saying we want to consolidate. And so when they start to look at WhatsUp Gold, they find that there's a lot more functionality there. We can pull those solutions into that single view that Andy was mentioning. So we find that that's a big opportunity for us to bring more value to the customers and total cost of ownership decrease.
Yeah, we certainly have come a long way since our early days in the early 90s as a ping tool, and we find a lot of times our customers will say to us, hey, yeah, you guys are a great ping tool, and they're not aware of how far we've come and all the things that we're doing now. For instance, in V16, we now have brought in our mapping technology, the ability to actually map everything on your network, which we think is the foundation for which you get your view into whatever it is that you need to manage. So you need that mapping capability. You want to know what's running on these. You want to know the asset reporting, what's running on each device, that kind of thing, and that provides the foundation.
Yeah, and to add to that, we're discovering all the physical and the virtual world within your infrastructure. We're also finding all the wireless devices, and we can help you manage that wireless infrastructure. You want to know, capacity planning wise, if a particular access point is overloaded, I want to know about it. I want to know when somebody can't get online, but I sometimes don't hear about that till 2 hours after it's happened. I want to be able to go back historically and see that kind of information. I also want to know if devices come onto the network that don't belong there. If there's rogue devices coming on, we can help you with that too. So again, we bring this all into one place. We give you that full documentation of your network, and we think that you can make better decisions that way.
And the final thing for version 16 that we're pretty excited about is that we've actually taken the ability to scale to a whole nother level. We now can, in a single instance of WhatsUp Gold with some of our new polling technology, we can scale to up to 20,000 devices, 100,000 monitors, and that's just where we tested to. We think we can go above that, but that's what we can claim because we've tested to that point. And what that means is any company that's buying into our solution, if they're starting off smaller but they know they're going to grow, they don't have to go anywhere else. They can get everything they need right from us, from one picture, one view, and they get to build the window that they look through.